as you can see, got the big room all sanded all the way down. Doesn't look too bad for an amateur. It's definitely amateur hour here because there's spots, there's things that could have been done different, but it's much better. Much better. Now we're gonna just wipe it down and primer it and fix whatever needs to be fixed. Let's go. Just a little bit of a break in the day here. Down here pretty late, it's cold. So we've got the living room for the first coat. And I just wanted to show this because there are spots like that are just soaking this paint up. And then I pulled the lights out so I can get those holes freed up. Yeah, just stuff like that. So, and then one thing I really hate is the drips. But yeah, for the most part, I mean, it looks pretty good down here. So let's get this second coat on and then give tonight, you know, it's time to basically harden up and soak it up, and we'll show it in the morning. Well, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. This is day 3 of the ceilings, and as you can see down here, we've got the living room ceiling in all its glory. Of course, the lights are hanging down because when we paint, we're gonna paint around. It's a little foggy down here because we're whooping up the drywall dust here, and the as you can tell, I just got done drywalling the bathroom hallway, this ceiling here, and the movie room. Got it all sanded. Of course, it's going to need a little bit more help, but I'm going to sand it, I'm going to prime it, and then we'll probably come back and do a little bit of this and that. I sanded the corner here Need to still do a little bit of mudding, but it's coming together slowly. But let's see if we can get this ceiling priming done tonight. And then, you know, this is just in preparation for the bathroom. On Saturday, I want to give it my full attention so we can get all the ceilings done, get the corners cleaned up, anything that needs to be repaired. The only place so far out of this whole project is right here. There's the hole. And that was when I was putting the cabinets up. I slipped with my drill and poked a hole up there. And then, but it was a small hole. And when I ran the primer over the top of it wet, it got back in behind the drywall and bubbled. So, a little lesson learned there. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start primering, get the bathroom hallway, the air hallway, and then knock out the movie room and call it for the day. But this is after work time, nice and dark outside. But I was gonna put it off a day. This is all I can think about. We let this dry overnight. As you can tell, this is the bathroom hallway. I did do under the stairs, I need to do one more coat. That's looking pretty good. I gotta get way under there. And then this is the HVAC bulkhead. Look at that. It did really good. Now, little things like that, I gotta fill in. But yeah, you're gonna have that. And then, you know, stuff like that in the corner. This just needs to be sanded down a little more. And I had the fan going on all night down here, so it dried evenly. But for the most part, this is the movie room. Oh man, it did really good. Oh, crap on the floor. Yeah, it did really good. It really turned out nice. It just looks like one piece now. That bulkhead really turned out good there. I was worried about this corner matching, but it did really good. Again, I just have a little bit of mud work to do here. But I'm really happy with the way this turned out. All the ceilings, for the most part, except for the bathroom, are all primered up. This even turned out really well. I'm gonna leave the lights hanging just for when we go to paint. These are a pain to pull down because they're like mouse traps. These little things will snap your finger right off. But anyway, looks really good. Now, this Saturday we have the bathroom. So we'll have a video out on that. I'll be going around caulking and finishing this drywall piece up here and here, these corners. So that'll be our next video. So yeah, this last week's and this weekend's project was just to get the ceilings all sanded and primer down. And this is the living room, and then we got the bedroom done in here. Just kind of wrap up this video a little bit. Looks really good, dried really nicely. A lot of work. This was a lot of sanding, a lot of mudding, prepping. Not bad for an amateur. I'd say I'm in the low 90s for, you know, what you'd want. The doors are getting primered, got a little more to do there, but I've been pushing myself pretty much to the end, and you know, I get to the point where I'm just done. So the next thing to do is to obviously clean this place up, get the cabinets out of here that don't belong down here. Everything that doesn't belong down here, get out of here. Scrape the floors, clean the floors, mop the floors, and get this place ready for paint. So we have paint and bathroom coming up, but this place just looks gorgeous. And you know, I'm not biased at all. But just a little bit of touching up and a little bit of, you know, caulking here and there, and just clean the corners up. But I really like this clean look, and we'll see what it looks like painted. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll try to get a video out on Friday or Saturday. May combine the bathroom depending on how quickly we can get the bathroom done, because once we get the pipes and everything all done in there, it's all drywall paint. It's drywall, mud, taping, sanding, painting, sealing, all that stuff. So that one room is going to take all my skills to get that done. But we got Jay coming in, and hopefully we'll knock that out. But thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.